If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Gemini, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have checked your email for any messages from Gemini. They may have sent you instructions or requests for additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Review submitted documents. Log into your Gemini account and review the documents you have submitted for verification. Make sure they are clear, legible, and meet the platform's requirements. Step 3. Resubmit documents. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your verification is still pending after resubmitting, reach out to Gemini's customer support. Provide them with your account details and ask for assistance in expediting the verification process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, wait for a response. Verification can take some time, but you should receive an update once your documents have been reviewed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Gemini. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.